In this video, I will show how to sort by date in Microsoft Excel. So select the cells which you want to sort. Now in Home tab, click on Sort and Filter. Now click on Custom Sort. Now select My Data as Headers. Now in this drop down, you will see the Sort By. So select Dates. Now in order, you can select oldest to newest, newest to oldest, and see the result. So firstly, I will select oldest to newest, then click on OK. Now you will see the changes here. Similarly, you can select newest to oldest, then click on OK. So this is the basic and quick way to learn how to sort by date in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching.